What is up? It is your favorite moto vlogger back with another video, and I always got to introduce you to my trusty sidekick, Clark Kent, in the background, the 2024 Road Glide. Today I got two great mods coming your way. The riding season is around the corner. Let's get money. Yes, sir. And first things up, we're going to put a hydrophobic ceramic coat over the bike. It is called Sun Re-Up right there, guys. It is a great coating. It's professional. We're going to prep the bike and get it ready to rock and roll, and we're going to see what it looks like. Remember, the small details make everything pop together. Then after that, we're going to put in these HogWorkz right here, saddlebag liners, and it's going to give the bike some extra pop. Yes, sir. And first things first, guys, going to show you the tools you're going to need. Of course, we've got the Sun Re-Up right here. Then we're going to use two cloths, separate cloths. We're going to use one for the applicator to apply it, the other to take it off. They're both clean and ready to roll.
Anytime you are applying an application to your bike, preparation of the surface is crucial. It has to be cleaned thoroughly of all debris and excess contaminants. Anytime you are applying ceramic coat, just relax, take your time, apply even strokes, and everything will come out smooth.
All right, so I'm trying to give you guys great views of the bike so you can see the paint job right here. You can see the specs that are in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna apply it. You just see I'm applying light over the front part of this fairing. And we're just gonna hit it, wipe it lightly, just to let it set in to the paint right here. And that's all I'm trying to do, is let it set in and create a film over it. I don't know if the camera will show it, but it's sort of like a little bit of a film over it. Sort of like when you apply wax to a car. All right, so now we've got the cloth, and we don't want to let that sit too long in the sun. And it's not a hot sun outside. That's why I can get away with doing this. Don't do this if the sun is super hot and you guys are out and it is like 95 degrees. No, don't do it in that. Do it in the shade. But today it's about 50 degrees and it is a nice sunny day. So that's why I'm actually doing it today. Now you guys can see that shine right there. Let me turn it a little bit. You can see the shine and it is really popping out. And that's just with one application. I'm going to hit it with another. And that's a great view of it right there, guys. Just see me applying that on top again. I think that front fairing looks amazing in that paint, in that sun, those flakes in it. Fellas, I think this is a great shot. Want to apply it to the saddlebag lid right here. And you guys can see I'm going to put a light application over the top and just a soft rub. Man, one of the mistakes that people make, that everybody makes, is when you put something on, you tend to rub super hard. Just a light rub. I'm going to put a little bit more on to get a nice coverage on here. And again, guys, I'm just wiping it in just so it can adhere to the paint. Nice even wipes. I'm going to let it sit for about 15-20 seconds. Let it set in. Let it create that film. And then we're going to take our cloth, our secondary cloth, and just come right over and get a nice buff on it. Again, don't press hard. Just get a great buff, and you can see it really coming out right there. Yes, sir. So while the ceramic coat is drying, we're going to get in here and we're going to install these saddlebag liners right here. Guys, see, I went with the white and black. I think it's going to give it a nice pop. I couldn't grab the blue and black, but I got the white and black. I think it's going to pop just as well. I've got everything all fitted. Now, I ran the screws in. You see right there, super tight fit. Everything fits really, really close. You guys can see right there. It's nice close up top. So what I'm going to do is take the provided double-sided tape and we're going to just secure these bags in and make everything look nice and neat. So let's jump in and let's see how everything looks. And then I'm telling you, we lost a little bit of sunlight out there, but you can still see how that looks. And it is so slick to the touch. Let me go down to the fender. You guys can really get a good look at how that ceramic coat works on everything. It turned out absolutely amazing. This is a great mod you guys need to definitely do to your bike. Now you see the lights hitting it right there. That is a great look at it right there. Now let's do a test real quick. Let me grab some water and we're going to pour it on and show you guys how it looks right there. So here, let's check it out. Let's pour some water on. And you guys see it just rolls right off the paint right there. It is so smooth and slick. Great mod. I hope you guys love this one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Now let's check out the second mod of today. Let me open up the saddlebags, and then there you go. The saddlebag liners in there, and they look so good. You see it's nice and flush. Fits really good. Now, as it heats up outside, they're gonna straighten out and be perfect for the bike. It's a little chilly outside, but as it heats up, these are gonna shrink up and they're gonna mold to the bags perfectly, and it's gonna look great. Just another great mod that you guys can do at home to sauce the bike up and get ready for the riding season. Man, let's take one more look at that ceramic coat. Man, I'm telling y'all, the camera does not do it justice, but let me roll up on that so you guys can see it right there. But that is amazing look right there. Just about an hour to do this. Take your time, go section by section, and the bike will look amazing. Yes, sir. And just like that, the video is complete. And these are mods that you can do to sauce that bike up and get out there and look like an absolute monster. Hey, don't forget, if you like the footage, hop on over to Big Vern's Moto Life, my YouTube channel. Drop subscription, man. We got crazy content coming your way. Going to be a great summer, great rides, great upgrades, all kinds of stuff coming your way. You won't be disappointed. So till next time, keep those two wheels down. Peace. Ooh, I think my favorite might be these saddlebag liners right here, ready to go. But that ceramic coat really hit it off. I cannot wait to see this when the sunshine is back out and ready to go. Peace out, guys. See you later. Thanks for watching the vid. I'm out of here.